Hello, it's Billy from Willsecure Systems. Another quick video today. What we're going to be doing is installing the ThinkWare F770 dash cam into my van that we previously installed the Mini BT on. Why this is going to be good is we're going to link it to the Mini BT, so any alerts from that, be it the shock sensor, tilt sensors, again, you know, failure to start, that is going to boot up this camera, so we're going to be able to see who's doing it and what they're playing at, basically. Being a van, we've just got the front sensor on this one, the front camera, sorry, but we do have external rear cameras if you've got a van. Obviously with the car as well, we can put the rear one in the back as well for you. So yeah, let's get cracked on, see how we get on. The F770 is ThinkWare's mid-range dash cam. It's definitely the one that I think gives you the best value for money, and we sell the most of it, Willsecure. It's got built-in speed camera detection, so it'll not only tell you where the permanent cameras are, but it'll also tell you where the camera vans are parked up. It's self-formatting, so it'll delete all the footage on a 24-hour basis, but don't worry about losing any footage you want to keep, because the built-in shock and motion sensors will make sure that any event data is saved to the camera and in turn your phone. As you can see, the camera quality is amazing. It's actually filming at 1080p HD and 30 frames a second, which is more than enough to pick up small details like number plates on other vehicles. So it's after dark that this camera actually comes into its own and outperforms the rest, and that's down to ThinkWare's super night vision, which, as you can see here, it's pitch black, the clarity is still really good, and you're still able to pick up small details. I don't know of any other camera on the market currently that performs like this in low light conditions. Right then, there you have it. So we've got the ThinkWare F770 front-facing dash cam paired with our Pandora Mini BT in a way that means any warnings from the alarm itself should boot up that camera, so you're going to be able to see who's up to what they're playing at, and yeah, basically just gives you that bit more clarity should the worst happen in your van. So at Willsecure Systems, we are offering free fitting with this or any other ThinkWare camera when purchased on top of a Pandora security device. So if you want any more information on that offer, you can get at will.secure or Facebook, and we'll answer any questions you've got. If you don't already have a camera and you'd like to get one installed in your car, these start from £249 fitted, but we do have a camera for every single budget, so if that's a bit steep for you, then we have got quite a few under there, and again quite a few on top again. So if you want to get us at willsecureltd.com, we'll be happy to answer any questions you have, and yeah, we hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.